Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Scientific Method Lab. This is the online version of our in-class lab for those of you who weren't able to attend class. So the purpose of today's lab is to do an experiment with some fluids and some solids and develop a hypothesis and then work through the scientific method process to determine if your hypothesis is correct or not. So what I'm going to do is give an explanation of the procedure, we'll walk through it, and then you'll be answering questions related to what I'm demonstrating to you, and then you may be doing some hands-on work at home as well. So let me start by explaining the fluids that we have here today. And our first question, our first hypothesis, is what will happen if we mix three fluids together? And the three fluids that we're dealing with are vegetable oil, just regular old vegetable oil. And I'm going to kind of shake the bottle a little bit and take note of how the fluids are behaving in the bottle compared to just regular old tap water that I've dyed a little bit darker blue so we can see it more easily. Okay, so just regular tap water. And then this red fluid is corn syrup, which is normally clear, but I've dyed it red as well so we can see it more easily. And if you take note how the corn syrup flows in the bottle, might give you a little bit of hint of how these fluids will interact once we pour them into this 100 milliliter graduated cylinder. Okay? So take a break with the video and develop your hypothesis. How will these fluids interact when we mix them together? We're going to put 10 milliliters of fluid of each into the cylinder, and you're to draw a diagram of what those fluids will look like once they're poured into the cylinder.